Hello my friends, how are you today? Many of you may have dealt with one of these before, and people might call them different things, weed eater, string trimmer, but my friends, if you have dealt with one of these, you may have dealt with one of the problems of dealing with it, and that is replacing the string. And some of you may have gotten frustrated with it. Listen, I'm here to help you. We can do this together, okay? So here we go. You want to go ahead and take this off, okay? So let's go ahead, and you may be like, well, how do I take it off? So you see, now this is for this model, but see right here, you push in here, and then you push in here. Now, if you're going to do stuff, you really might want to consider wearing gloves and protective eyewear. You just, you can, if you use a tool or something, it might be able to help you to press in, but don't slip and hurt your finger or anything like that. Okay, so I just want to, you might take a screwdriver or something and just kind of push in a little bit. See that? And now it moved. And now I'll spin it over here and like kind of push in a little bit and see it move right there. And then let's kind of go like here. So we got that taken off. Okay, this has got some stuff in it. Let's go ahead and put this over here. And before I keep going, I just need to let you all know that you are awesome. Okay. People are awesome. So if you're a people, it means you're awesome. Okay.
So you push that down to pull it out, or you just pull it out?
Did I push it out? Anyways.
Yeah, you did.
So this doesn't actually have much string. So what I need to do, this is a dual head, okay? Now, you might have a better tip than the way I'm doing it, and maybe if you want to put a polite comment in. But I've also, here we go. Let's go ahead and start. So what I want to do, let's go ahead and do it like this. Okay, alrighty then. You really might want to consider buying the big one. So I need two of those because there's two things right here. So this is like for the dual. So basically I want to take and go 1, 2, 3. You got that? Okay. And then I can do it again. 1. Oh my word. Hopefully I can do this. 2. Okay. 3. Okay, that should be about good. So let's go ahead and, all right, we got that. We have this string right here. Take this. All right. Okay, I'm just being dramatic. Here we go. I need to go ahead and get the middle of this, all right? So basically, you come here, you go right here, right? And then you come here, and you get it to the middle. So I come right here, and then I want to cut this right here, okay? You may want to use snips or something else. I took a knife, I think, from the kitchen. Is my wife gonna know?
Yes, she knows.
All right, so here we go. I now have 2 strings, which is great. So I actually want to take my gloves off for this. Here we go, I might be able to finesse it better. So, so there's a line here.
Let me see the line.
There's a line here that shows this way, okay?
Oh, an arrow, you mean?
An arrow. But, so here we go. But I think you can just put it on this way. Even if the arrow is that way, because the hole is this way.
Let me see the hole.
Right here.
Okay.
Generally, I have just put it on this way. So if it really bothers you and you're like, I just feel like you're doing it wrong, well then maybe go this way if you have to. If you're like a line follower. But for me, I like to go this way. So let's go ahead and go this way. This is the way that I normally like to do it. And I have done a lot of weed eating with this. So if you want to try it the other way, you go for it, I guess. Be safe. Okay. But this way works for me. And so I want to go ahead and wind this up. So here we go. Working. And here we go. I used to do work for a lawn care company, like landscaping company or whatever, on like a really rich place, like really rich place. Like we did like $1 million home stuff. It was pretty cool. Done landscaping. I started a pressure cleaning business, bought a pressure cleaning business, bought a window cleaning business, and 2 janitorial cleaning businesses. And if you look at my yard right now, you can see I really need to mow. See this?
Yikes.
It's like
a jungle.
It's about that time. And that time was actually a while ago. So anyways, here we go. Okay,
But
so here
it rains like every day.
we're like in
It
Florida.
just rained today, actually.
Okay, they need to get this part. So see here, there's a notch and a notch, all right? So I want to take, and I want to go ahead and put this notch right here.
Put the string in the notch.
Yes, I want to put the string in the, oh my word. Okay, and if you do that, then you got to probably start over again.
At
That's
the
why you
very
gotta-
beginning?
Well, there we go. Give me a moment.
Oh,
This might be one of the
no.
unfortunate aspects of a weed eater. It wasn't too long. Okay, let's go ahead and wind it up. You got to hold it tight when you do it. Okay. So I'm kind of doing it this way. So that's right. Maybe they need to see a close up. I'm just kind of going over both like this. Now there might be some extra string possibly. There's this guard right here. Oh my word. Hold on. Guys, it's like when you deal with two, it's like, hold on. So there's a guard right near my foot is that little metal thing. And that is supposed to help cut the line. So basically the way to feed more line is when you're doing the weed eater, you kind of, for this one, you bounce it kind of on the bottom, like this thing on the ground. And it kind of helps, it should help to feed out more line. And then you can kind of, this thing should kind of automatically like cut the line. Weed eater string trimmers are really amazing, a tool. Okay, I'm getting closer and closer. I don't want to have to rewind it again. I need to focus.
Focus.
Focus. Oh, and if you're watching, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up real fast. And
Thumbs up.
give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn notifications, all that good stuff. Okay. If this is helpful to you, please let me know. I also want to do, I might do a affiliate link or links or whatever in the description for weed eater string. I highly recommend the big thing of string. And also the stihl weed eater. I might put in an affiliate link for a weed eater string trimmer or whatever. Okay. So here, we're getting close. So I want to go ahead and not mess it up this time. I want to go ahead and stick that in like that, okay? So I got that, and I want to bring this one around to go like that. You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Now this might be a little bit more of a tricky part. Okay? So the weed eater, the string goes here, right? And then, where is this? Let's see here. Focus, focus. Okay.
So you have some little things to line up or what?
Hold on, let me see here. So I need to put this one right here. It's like, this might be a little bit challenging.
So you take it out of the little
Yeah,
notches
there, I got that.
and put
Okay.
it in the hole. You want me to hold that?
Yes, please hold it.
I got it.
Okay, and then let's take this and do this, if I can hopefully get this in. This is a little bit more of a challenge. I might let it slide up slightly. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got that. And let me pull that one, please. I actually, okay. Oh my word, no. Can you hold that one, please, if possible? If you're like
This
holding
one?
the camera. Okay, so here we go. So now I take this, it's got these tabs, okay? And the tabs need to go here. So I go here, and I go here. Let me push this down. And, okay. Now hopefully, if I did it correctly, it should work. Now you may notice, you got a lot of string, man. You're right. So what you can do is you can be like this, okay? My wife's gonna see me with that kitchen knife. Okay, so here we go. It's gonna need to probably be like this way, this far anyways. So I can kind of go here, right here, and just kind of cut this, all right? Okay, and then I can kind of come right here and kind of cut it about right here, and we should be pretty good, all right? All right, so now we're pretty good. Now I need to put some gas in it, and I need to get to work
Mm-hmm.
because there's like some tall stuff here. So people are amazing, and the way to know if you're amazing is if you're a people or not. All people are awesome. So I love you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. I love you all. God loves you. He has a plan and purpose for your life. Please subscribe, turn notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have a better way to do it, let me know. In the comments, please, politely. Love you all. Friends, I do want to show you something else here. So basically, like as you're using this weed eater, the string should maybe like getting kind of broken off. And listen, it's not worth it to weed eat without glasses. Like I'm just telling you, it's not worth it. I don't care if it's like please wear glasses and gloves. You may really wish you would. Okay, but as you're going, the string may get worn away. So this right here, it kind of gets bumped on the ground while it's spinning. Like this, you just may want to kind of bump it against the ground. And what happens is it helps It should help the more weed eater line to come out, and it may help get cut like right here. And also maybe if you're buzzing against a concrete block, that might help to like to go ahead and wear it away too. I do want to tell you a trick though real fast. If you're edging, like let's say you have a driveway and you want to edge it, you don't have to buy an edger. You can kind of go like this and just kind of like edge the driveway like that. So maybe one more trick too. When you're weed eating, whichever way it turns,
Whichever way what turns?
like this head turns, you may want to take it, instead of doing it this way so it blows stuff into you, maybe turn it this way slightly so it helps blow it away. You may still get stuff on you, but it may help to blow it away. So, all right, my friends, love y'all, and bye.